Gage, what's wrong, dude?
Gage, I'm gonna destroy you.
Gage, is your leg okay?
Don't touch
5 likes and I'll drop it.
5 likes and I'll break it.
So,
Why don't you just never mind?
how about you subscribe to my channel? And you get a free fidget spinner. It'll make that way better.
Yeah.
Plus, the fidget spinners, they help your ADHD.
Yeah, and your autism. This is good for this one.
Oh, I'm still good with a freaking broken ankle.
Oh.
How about we never mind?
Hey guys, this is Mitch Reacts, and I know this isn't a normal thing I usually do, but you know, I'm just gonna try out this vlog thing because I have some great news for all my subscribers. But I'm giving away 3 fidget spinners if you like and subscribe to my channel. This is completely random. I'll be randomly selecting the winners who will receive these fidget spinners, and yeah. I will be giving out a American flag fidget spinner, a Batman fidget spinner, and a tie-dye fidget spinner. If you win, you can choose which one you want, and yeah. And the winners will be selected eventually, and as soon as I get these fidget spinners, I will be handing them out to the winners. So yeah, that's it guys. Like and subscribe, and maybe you'll get a fidget spinner. Who knows? So, see?